Welcome back. You know who it is. It's the one and only Alexis Kerr coming to you live from Motor City Stamping out here in Chesterfield Township. I am in front of the all-new 2012 sleek, sexy, and exciting. This is the all-new Chevy Sonic. Not only is it a regular Sonic, but it is a Sonic LTZ fully loaded hatchback. But what does it have? It has that turbocharged power. Exciting, affordably priced, just over $14,700. Great for that college student. Great for that adult who's looking to be conservative on gas for those long commutes. Sleek, sexy, sassy, and affordably priced and exciting. Most importantly, on this all-new Sonic LTZ, fully loaded with a sunroof, baby. It goes on highway 40 miles to a gallon. That means you spend $3.50 to $4.50 and you get 40 miles. Why not consider an all-new Sonic LTZ this year, 2012? Look out, GM, we are designing, building, and selling the world's best vehicle. It's a Lexus, and we want you to get into a brand new GM vehicle.